Hi to all my K&J 101 lovers. Today I'm going to show you how to make the sweet and spicy buffalo wings with fresh cutted celery. In this recipe, we have some few list of ingredients that we need. Of course, nandyan na yung buffalo wings, which is yung chicken wings. So we have 4 pieces of chicken wings, which is I divided into 2 per piece. So at the moment, ito na sa nakikita nyo, yung chicken natin ay hiniwa ko sa 2 bawat wing na nakikita nyo. So ang next ingredients natin ay butter, half cup of flour, chop of garlic, chili powder, salt, chicken cubes, brown sugar, sesame seeds, lemon, black pepper, fine pepper, celery, and also we have chili sauce, vinegar, of course olive oil, and the last is the ketchup. This recipe, we have 3 simple steps to follow. And what are those? First is the marination of our chicken. The second, frying of our chicken. Third is how to make our buffalo wings recipe sauce. So if you really want to know this recipe, please stay tuned and I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedures. So just keep on watching. So, itong manok na to ay ilalagay natin yung half nitong garlic. Okay, half only. And then, ilalagay natin yung ating lemon. So, itong half ng lemon para sa final touch ng ating sauce, ilalagay natin ito mamaya. So half lang ilalagay, and then put a little bit of what is the flour and mix it well, just like this. Okay, and then of course dadagdagan natin. Yan po ang kalalabasan ng ating marination. Make sure na lagyan lahat ng flour. Okay. So, I think this will be okay. So, let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Okay? Sit aside mo dito yung manok and wait for 10 minutes before frying. Okay? So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo sa ang second procedure natin, which is yung frying our buffalo wings. And after the 10 minutes of marination, we have to proceed with our step 2, the frying procedures. And let me remind you guys, just put your temperature in a medium-low heat. Now our fried chicken is done, so we have to set aside for a while because we are going to proceed with our third and last procedure, which is yung how to make our buffalo wing sauce recipe.
Ayan, our buffalo wings recipe is now ready to serve. Maraming salamat sa panunood at sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating buffalo wings tutorial. Before I end this video, please support my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and also please click the notification bell for more videos update. And also, we do have Instagram and Facebook account, Kusina ni Jenny 101. Once again, thank you very much and have a nice day everyone. May God bless you. Hanggang sa muli. Bye!
I love buffalo wings. I love buffalo wings. I love buffalo wings.